Somebody's gotta be open. Closed. All closed. Now where, oh, where will I find a butterscotchy finger pie? Oh, thank you. Whoa! Stay in there. Now to make my selection. Hey, give me a butterscotchy finger pie, you no-good pile of junk. I said I want a butterscotchy finger pie. All right, just give me what you got. No. Oh, please. Oh, why me? Why? Be right back.
Ooh, a butterscotchy finger pie.
That's my pie.
This is my
Give me
pie.
that pie. Look, Wally, I gotta have this butterscotchy finger pie. I'll give you $5, $10, $20 for it. But this one is mine. Got it?
Yeah, okie dokie, sure. Crazy woodpecker.
Butterscotchy finger pie, here I come. Drink. I need a drink. Wait a minute. I got enough midnight snacks to last all month. Keep on coming, fellas. Woohoo!